Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT43, the latest addition to the AMG GT lineup. This model offers a blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Let's delve into its key features, specifications, performance metrics, design elements, and more. At the heart of the AMG GT43 lies a handcrafted AMG 2.0-liter Inline-4 turbocharged engine. This power plant delivers an impressive 416 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. An electric exhaust gas turbocharger, a technology derived from Formula One, ensures immediate throttle response across the entire RPM range. This setup propels the GT43 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. The rear-wheel drive configuration, combined with the standard AMG Sport suspension, offers an engaging and dynamic driving experience. For enhanced adaptability, the optional AMG RIDE CONTROL suspension with adaptive adjustable damping is available. The AMG GT43 boasts a striking exterior characterized by a long wheelbase, short overhangs, an extended hood, and a steeply raked rear windshield. To further personalize the vehicle's appearance, Mercedes-AMG offers three exterior design packages: the AMG Night Package, which features high-gloss black accents, the AMG Extended Night Package, which incorporates dark chrome elements, and the AMG Exterior Chrome Package, which showcases silver chrome highlights. Customers can choose from a variety of exterior paint colors, including 6 exclusive manufacturer finishes. Optional AMG wheels are available in 19, 20, and 21-inch sizes, allowing further customization. Inside, the GT43 offers a luxurious 2+2 seating arrangement upholstered in Nappa leather. The front features AMG Sport seats, while the rear seats come with folding backrests to enhance cargo capacity. For added comfort on long journeys, optional multi-contour front seats with massage functions are available. Additional interior customization options include manufacturer Nappa leather upholsteries with diamond quilting and an AMG Performance steering wheel, offered in Nappa leather, microfiber, or microfiber carbon fiber finishes. 6 interior trims are available, including new open-pore gray birchwood and open-pore brown ash wood. The AMG GT43 comes equipped with an array of standard features, including AMG Sport suspension, 19-inch AMG wheels, AMG silver brake calipers, AMG Performance exhaust, AMG track pace, digital light headlamps, Nappa leather interior upholstery, power heated front seats, with memory and 4-way power driver's lumbar support, rear seats with folding backrests, AMG Performance steering wheel with AMG drive unit buttons and heated rim, 12.3-inch driver display and 11.9-inch central multimedia display, Burmester surround sound system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless smartphone charging, surround view 360-degree camera, and blind spot assist. Optional features allow for further personalization, such as the AMG Night Package, AMG Extended Night Package, AMG Exterior Chrome Package, Driver Assistance Package, AMG RIDE CONTROL suspension, 20 and 21-inch AMG wheels, Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system, AMG Performance steering wheel in various finishes, multi-contour front seats with massage function, ventilated front seats, and head-up display. The GT43's performance is not solely about acceleration. Its aerodynamic design includes a front fascia with a hidden louver system that adjusts to optimize cooling or reduce drag as needed. At the rear, a retractable spoiler offers 5 positions above 50 miles per hour to enhance handling stability or minimize drag, depending on driving conditions. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT43 is set to arrive at U.S. dealerships in the fall of 2024, with a starting price of $105,900. This positions it as a more accessible entry point into the AMG GT lineup, offering a balance of performance and luxury. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT43 encapsulates the essence of a grand tourer, combining exhilarating performance with luxurious comfort and advanced technology. Its blend of a powerful yet efficient engine, dynamic handling, and a host of customizable features makes it a compelling choice for driving enthusiasts seeking both excitement and refinement.